Students, today we are going to discuss about the subject air pollution and controls engineering. It's our elective paper and the code is OCE 551 air pollution and control engineering. The main thing is we need to discuss about the definition and scope and what are the definitions of air pollution, the effects, hazards, and how as an engineer how we are going to control the air pollution. This is the concept behind this. What is air pollution and control engineering? First, we are already know what is air pollution. Pollution, there are a lot of types: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, anything. Particularly, we are going to discuss about air pollution and its control engineering. What is air pollution first? So, pollution in the atmospheric air due to the presence of solid, liquid, or gaseous material that causes some problems to human, even living systems like plants and animals also. These are the complete definitions of air pollution. What is air pollutant? It's a material or a substance which creates the air pollution, that is in the form of liquid, gas, or solid. So that is called air pollutant. Our first concept is structure and composition of atmosphere. So first, so our atmosphere is full of, the air contains 78.0% nitrogen and 20.95 oxygen, that is in percentage. Argon is 0.93% and carbon dioxide is 0.3039% and some amount of other gases. These are the combinations of air. So, study of Earth's atmosphere is called aerology or atmospheric science. So next, what is the Earth's atmosphere? What's the structure of Earth's atmosphere? Here we are having 5 main layers. First one is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. What is troposphere? It is in the range of Earth's atmosphere from its height 0 to 12 km. Stratosphere is 12 to 50 km and mesosphere is 50 to 80 km from Earth's surface, and thermosphere is 80 to 500 km and exosphere is above 500 km. So these are the kilometer range from the Earth's surface. So in troposphere is the lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere, which is having a kilometer distance of 9 km to 17 km. So here some solar radiation is the main heat source that is absorbed by the ground level. So the temperature decreases with increase of the height in troposphere. Absolutely, it is actually it's 8 km. Due to some weather changes, it changes from 9 to 12 km. So the rate at which the temperature decreases with increase of height, that is called lapse rate. So which is about 5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. The lapse rate difference which is about 5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. So next one is stratosphere. So in stratosphere, it's the second layer of Earth's atmosphere above the troposphere, that is called tropopause. It is having water vapor, clouds and storms of atmosphere. So the troposphere is the top level layer. It is having a distance that is exceeding to 50 km. So here the temperature that is increases from minus 80 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius between the tropopause to stratopause. So it increase in temperature, that's absorption of UV radiation from sun, that by oxygen and ozone. So that's only there is a very little water vapor at this layer. So here the ozone layer which exceeds from 20 to 40 km above the Earth's surface. The stratosphere sometimes called as ozonosphere. Okay. What's the actual function of ozone layer? It protects all the ultraviolet radiation from the sun. That is the main function of ozone layer. So next one is mesosphere. In mesosphere, it's a third layer. It is exceeded from stratosphere from 50 km to 80 km from ground surface. It is called as coolest place of Earth's atmosphere, which is having a temperature of minus 85 degrees Celsius. So the top level of mesosphere is called mesopace. So the air is highly cold in this mesosphere layer. So the mesosphere that lies between the maximum altitude for which the aircraft and minimum altitude for orbital spacecraft. So it has also been accessed through the use of sounding rockets also. So next one is thermosphere. So thermosphere is having a kilometer distance of 80 km up to 500 km. So it's called thermopace. So the height of the thermosphere also varies due to some changes of solar activity. So here, so the lowest part of the thermosphere contains some ions and free electrons. So some cosmic rays and radiation from the sun that produce the ions. So and this part of the thermosphere is called ionosphere. Okay. So this layer is completely cloudless and free from water vapor. So next one is exosphere. It's the outermost region which is having the height of above 500 km from Earth's surface. It is called exosphere. It's a low density, high temperature region with minimum atomic collisions. So it merges with the emptiness of outer space, so where there is no atmosphere. So some other layers here are ozone layer, ionosphere, magnetosphere, homosphere, heterosphere and planetary boundary layer.